Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter today, chapter number 9, Simple Present Tense from the book English Grammar 4. So, we have read the following sentences. First, Sarah eats an apple. Then, second, birds fly in the sky. Third, we play in the park. Then we have fourth one, I like story books. Now here you can see we have four highlighted words. These words are verb which are in simple present tense. Okay, so in the above sentences eat, fly, play and like are all verbs. All these verbs are in the simple present tense. Now we'll understand about them. Okay. Uses of simple present tense. We use simple present tense to talk about facts. हम simple present tense का use करते हैं facts के बारे में talk करने के लिए. We have example, the sun rises in the east. This is the fact, sun rises in the east, right? Then habits and journal truths. Second thing है, अगर हम हैबिट्स के बारे में या कोई जर्नल ट्रुथ है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं देन वी ऑल्सो यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. वी हैव एग्जाम्पल. फर्स्ट, आई ब्रश माई टीथ ट्वाइस डेली. सेकेंड, cows give us milk. So here you can see we have talked about the habit part here, right? And here is the journal truth, right? Then we talk about the present situation. Okay, again we have example. First, it is very hot. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है. Second, I have a fever. Third, they look happy. Fourth, Nisha lives in Delhi. These all are the present situations we have talked about. Okay. Then we have creative skill, time to do. A. Fill in the blanks with simple present tense form of verbs given in the brackets. Now, the first one, aeroplanes dash fly in the sky. Now, here you can see aeroplanes. This is the plural noun. So, the form of the verb remains the same, which is fly. So, we'll write fly. Second, the boys dash want to play cricket. Now, again here you can see this is the plural noun. So, we will use the same form of the verb, which is given want. Okay. Then we have third one, my mother dash work in a bank. Now, mother. This is the singular noun. So, with singular nouns, we use the verb with S or ES. So, here the answer is works. Okay. Fourth, I dash go for a walk in the morning. Now, we have I. So, there is exception for I. We treat I as a plural pronoun. So, we write here go. Okay. Then fifth, my father dash take me to school every day. Now, we have father, which is a singular noun. So, we'll use takes. Okay, we'll add S with the verb. Then we have sixth, grandfather dash smoke a pipe. Again, we have singular noun. So, here we'll add smokes. Means we'll add S to the verb. Then we have seventh, Gunjan dash obey her parents. Now, again, this is a singular noun. So, again, we'll add S to the main verb. So, the answer is obeys. Then we have eighth, rabbits dash like to eat carrots. Now here the answer is like. Okay. Then we have B, rearrange the letters in the brackets to make verbs in the simple present tense, then fill in the blanks with the words. So here we need to first rearrange these letters and then we have to fill it here. Okay. First, we dash our breakfast in the morning. Now here we have A-E-T. Correct answer is eat. Okay. Second, Madhu dash in Mumbai. Here we have V-E-S-L-I. The correct answer is lives. Third, he dash hard. R-K-S-W-O. The correct answer is works. Then we have fourth, the baby dash loudly. R-I-C-S-E. The answer is cries. Fifth, doctors dash the patients. We have R-E-T-T-A. The correct answer is treat. Then we have sixth, soldiers dash for the country. Now, G-H-T-I-F-I. The correct answer is fight. Then we have seventh one, cows dash us milk. I-V-G-E. Here the answer is give. Then eighth, Deepa dash badminton. L-A-P-Y-S. The answer is plays. Then we have negative sentences. Read the following sentences. Now we'll read some sentences. We have the first one, the kites fly in the sky. Now here fly is the verb here. Okay. The kites do not fly in the sky. Now here you can see do not. When we add not to the sentence, it means we are talking about a negative sentence. Okay. Second, I study in class 4. Study is the verb here. Okay. Then I do not study in class 4. Again we have added not, do not. It means this is a negative sentence. Okay. Third, we go there every Sunday. हम हर संडे वहां पर जाते हैं. Now we do not go there every Sunday. Again you can see we have added do not. Means it is a negative sentence now. Okay. Fourth, you speak well. You do not speak well. Got it? Fifth, he sings sweetly. He does not sing sweetly. Now here you can see we have used does. Does not. Why? Because it is a singular pronoun. So with singular pronoun we use verb with es or s. So here is does not sing. Okay. Then we have know it. In simple present tense, to change a sentence from positive to negative, I, we, you, they, all, plural subjects do not plus root form of verb. अगर हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में बात करें कि पॉजिटिव से हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में कैसे बदलते हैं, तो अगर हमारे पास आई, वी, यू, दे जो होते हैं प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, उनके साथ हम डू नॉट यूज करते हैं प्लस द रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ओके. देन अगर हमारे पास ही, शी, इट, ऑल सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं तो हम डज नॉट प्लस रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करते हैं. ओके. देन वी हैव राइटिंग स्किल, टाइम टू डू. Convert the following sentences into negative sentences. So we'll do these questions. First, they swim in the river. Now the subject is they. which is a plural subject. So the answer here is they do not swim in the river. Then we have second, you tell lies. Now again, you is the plural subject. So we'll use do not plus root form, which is tell. So the answer is you do not tell lies. Then we have third, we eat fruits. Again, we is the plural subject. So the answer is we do not eat fruits. Then we have fourth, Megha writes neatly. Now, Megha is the singular subject. So, we'll use does not plus the root form of the verb. So, the answer is Megha does not write neatly. Okay. Then we have fifth, vehicles spread pollution. Now we have vehicles, which is a plural subject. So we'll use do not plus root form of the verb. Okay. So the answer is vehicles do not spread pollution. Then we have sixth, Radhika sings sweetly. Now Radhika is the singular subject. So we'll use does not plus the root form of the word, which is sing. So the answer is Radhika does not sing sweetly. Then we have seventh, Amit and Rahul play badminton. Now we have Amit and Rahul. It means this is a plural subject. So we'll use do not plus again the root form of the verb. So the answer is Amit and Rahul do not play badminton. Then we have 8. My mother goes to the temple daily. Now we have mother, which is the singular subject. So the answer is my mother does not go to the temple daily. Then we have 9th. This car belongs to my aunt. Now we have this car. This is the singular subject. So we'll use this car does not belong to my aunt. We have 10th. Nisha does her homework. Now the answer is Nisha does not do her homework. Then we have interrogative sentences. Read the following sentences. First, the baby drinks milk. Now this is the affirmative sentence. Okay. Then, does the baby drink milk? Yes slash no. This is a question. So, here you can see we have asked some question. There is a question mark as well. So, what does the baby drink? WH question. Then, if we have WH family word in the sentence, then we can say that's the question. Okay, so this is the question. Here you can see in the end we have question mark as well. Okay. Then we have second, Sarah and Meeta study in modern public school. Then, do Sarah and Meeta study in modern public school? So, this is not a question we have to answer in yes or no. If we talk about the proper question, then where do Sarah and Meeta study? WH question. This is the WH question. If we have WH family word, then we can say that this is a WH question. Okay. So, these type of sentences are called interrogative sentences. Okay. Then we have writing skill, time to do. Convert the following sentences into interrogative sentences. First, Megha sings sweetly. Now first we have to make yes slash no question. So, Megha, this is the singular subject. So, here the question which is yes no question. The answer is, does Megha sing sweetly? Okay. Then we have WH question. We have to form WH question. So the answer is, how does Megha sing? Okay. Then we have second sentence. Varun studies in class 4. Okay. Now we have to make yes slash no question. The answer is, does Varun study in class 4? Now we have to make the WH question. The answer is, in which class Varun study? Okay. Then we have third, children play in the park. Now we have to make yes slash no question. Now we have children, which is a plural subject. So we'll use do. So the question here is, do children play in the park? Then we have to make WH question. So the answer is, where do children play? Okay. Then we have fourth, my mother cooks food for me. Now we have to make yes slash no question. So the answer is, does my mother cook food for me? Then we have to make WH question. Now the answer is, what does my mother cook for me? Then we have fifth, parents take care of their children. Then we have to make yes/no question. The answer is, do parents take care of their children? Then we have to make WH question. The answer is, what parents do for their children. Okay. Then we have sixth. Sushil lives in Kolkata. Now we have to make yes/no question. The answer is, does Sushil lives in Kolkata? Now we have to make WH question. The answer is, where do Sushil live? Then we have seventh, birds chirp. Now we have to make yes/no question. The answer is, do birds chirp? Then we have to make WH question. So the answer is, what do birds do? So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.